Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We could all use a lot more of the old ways these days. 1 pound ground chicken, turkey, or pork. I used ground chicken. 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. I used Ritz crackers for my breadcrumbs. 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese grated. 4 cloves, garlic minced. 1/4 cup of parsley chopped fine, measure with your heart. 1 egg, beaten.
I'll do it the right way. You can rock it back and forth.
Yeah, that's what looks like why it's like a
Yeah, and like this is good, but let's get my slices where I want them. Not chop my hands off. I'm watching.
Ready for some broth.
I wasn't thinking about it. Everybody like onions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sawyer's not a big fan, but as long as you're chopping them like this, he'll eat
I
them.
could have put them in the Oscar, and it would really got a nice and really nice. Sometimes I just don't.
He likes
use
the
it.
flavor, he just doesn't like the pieces.
The texture.
Yeah.
Pieces even.
Nope, last one.
What? Oh, Landman? Well, you're going to have to wait, because I'm not going to watch it doing dinner.
Okay.
'Cause that's unfair. I can't take it. Okay. My eyes are burning out.
I know. Go ahead and shape them into meatballs in your desired shape, size. We like fairly nice sized round ones. So get your hands dirty and make those meatballs. So these are some of the chicken meatballs that we made, and I baked them to brown them so they'll hold shape, and then they're still really hot. I am kind of dividing them out between these 4 jars. I'm going to can them once they're cooled off with some chicken broth. And these are not cooked, they are just browned. And I'm just kind of figure out how many I want in each one. There. Sorry. I did about 6, 7, I don't know, I didn't really count, but at least 6 in each jar. 4 jars of chicken meatballs with my chicken sausage I made, and I think this is going to get some chicken broth on it, and it's going to be canned, and then at some point I will make spaghetti Alfredo, and there they are. So we have 4 pints of chicken meatballs that I'm going to use in some Alfredo, and I'm going to can them in chicken broth.
So we have onions left. You want a few onions in your chicken?
No, because Sawyer won't like it.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Now that I'm not that big of chunks. So this is going to be chicken Alfredo spaghetti noodles, Alfredo noodles with chicken meatballs. I'm just going to pour this over my noodles with a little, make it into some Alfredo sauce later. Thaw that chicken broth mostly, and we'll get that.
I just had all the spices and everything in there.
All right.
Oh man, you're gonna pour it off and make Alfredo? Oh
Mhm.
boy. It would be so good. What are you doing?
Cat has to know what we're doing. Oh, it's the
No,
dog.
it's a dog.
Has to know what we're doing all the time. And you'll notice there is, I put, chicken bouillon in each one just to make it more chickeny.
And I get more confused on what we're doing.
I know, me too. We're gonna warm those up because everything we've been doing here is cold. And very cold in the basement, so we gotta get them a little warmed up before we put them in there so we don't shock it. And we are going to open this baker's dozen I got from Superb. I love my Superb lids. I got my lids and rings on, got them in the canner, and I'm now venting for 10 minutes so that I can get them up to pressure. All right, so we vented for 10 minutes, and now we just put the jiggler on, and we're bringing it up to pressure for our chicken Alfredo meatballs. All 3 Rebel Canners cookbooks are available on Amazon for sale, including the recipe piles from the Facebook. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.